It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Here is the actual plan for Shib's zero drop this week. Modern Shiba Inu headlines. The price of Shiba Inu is preparing to break out later on Wednesday in US trading. If bulls wish to take advantage of the momentum, they need to roll the dice at the inflection point that the chart is pointing to using several indications. Bulls may be able to pocket returns of up to 30% from this breakout trade, thanks to the supported price action and plenty of space to climb higher. This video will go over the specifics of how Shib plans to drop zero this week. Breaking news about Shiba Inu today. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. The Shiba Inu price has recently experienced some bullish intervention. On Wednesday, the 200-day simple moving average SMA held price action above 100 and served as support throughout the European session. The bulls are riding high on the breakout's lack of strong resistance levels till the 55-day simple moving average SMA. That one is little higher than $0.00000001200, which suggests the bulls have a chance to regain control of that psychological level. The important gaming exhibition Shib has the potential to bring in more money by Friday, according to its projection, if further tailwinds materialize. The green ascending trend line poses the greatest threat of a decline. With the monthly S1 and that red line at $0.0000966 for the low of March, the area below that $0.0000100 level is highly choppy. But once broken, it might cause a catalyst move. The outcome can be a precipitous drop to $0.0000738. Shiba Inu, the universe's second largest meme coin, is relentlessly penetrating new markets. The Shiba Inu community has recently made strides in getting SHIB tokens listed on several of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in Japan. With over 2.5 million members, BitFlyer is one of the biggest exchanges in Japan. They have announced that they will start supporting the trade of SHIB tokens. Earlier today, on March 22nd, BitFlyer made the news. The Japanese company BitFlyer has been tight-lipped about its strategy thus far. Nonetheless, 20 people were chosen at random to participate in a SHIB handling memorial with a prize pool of 10,000 Japanese yen. The campaign will begin today, March 22nd, and conclude as soon as BitFlyer takes over SHIB. The Japanese cryptocurrency exchange BitFlyer isn't the first to process SHIB transactions. The Japanese branch of the San Francisco-based exchange OKCoin began processing SHIB transactions last month, on February 28th. The Shiba Inu listing was also well received, according to the exchange. Additionally, the burn rate of meme coin Shiba Inu saw a tremendous increase, increasing by a whopping 4,600%. The rate at which tokens are removed from circulation, reducing their total quantity, is called the burn rate for the SHIB cryptocurrency. In principle, a higher valuation for SHIB should result from this sharp increase in the burn rate, as it effectively limits the supply. The Shiba Inu market price, however, has stayed largely unchanged and has been a source of consternation for investors. The market capitalization of the Shiba Inu meme coin is $6.4 billion, and its current price is thousands. The lack of significant movement in the SHIB price over the past 2 weeks suggests that institutional investors and dealers are uncertain about the cryptocurrency's long-term prospects. With the release of Shibarium, a Layer 2 scalability protocol, the Shiba Inu core development team has also been behind schedule. In addition, before Shibarium is launched, there are other initiatives that are eagerly awaiting its launch. Shib, the much anticipated. It has been announced that the metaverse would be deployed on the Shibarium platform. Some market watchers are nevertheless optimistic about Shiba Inu despite the breed's somewhat sluggish performance in the current upswing. While Balaji Srinivasan is predicting that the price of Bitcoin would reach $1 million, well-known crypto enthusiast David Gokhshtein recently stated that his wager of SHIB at 0.1 cents is still valid. Nonetheless, the present SHIB price would see enormous gains of 100 times. If that doesn't work, Gokhshtein has threatened to erase his 700,000-follower Twitter account. Due to historical evidence indicating a potential short-term decrease in pricing, a crypto wallet that holds a significant amount of Shiba Inu tokens is transferring funds to exchanges. Coins worth over 182 billion Shiba Inu were transferred from wallet XT6 to Gemini and Crypto.com on Monday morning during the Asian trading session. Information referenced from analytics company Look On Change reveals. The same wallet transferred over 200 billion SHIB to Crypto.com and sold them for US dollars 3 months ago. At that moment, SHIB's price dropped 7%. You can see how the price is doing by watching where tokens are going from wallets with a lot of supply. The more tokens that are sold, the more supply there will be in the market. which could lead to a decrease in price. But prices might not fall sharply if tokens are transferred to associated decentralized finance (DeFi) apps. Wallet XD6 has almost 3.1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which according to Etherscan statistics is worth nearly $40 million at the current pricing. That amounts to just over 0.3% of all Shiba Inu tokens in circulation. According to Look On Chain, the wallet spent 10 ETH, a little over $3,000 at the time, in August 2020 to buy Shiba Inu coins. Even if the price of Bitcoin has surged, the price of Shiba Inu coin has remained relatively stable. At the moment, the meme coin is not performing as well as other altcoins while Bitcoin fights against the $28,000 barrier. Holding Shib seems to be a safe haven until the Layer 2 network launch according to the price chart. There was a small rise of 0.85% for Shib on Friday. Currently, the price of the widely used meme coin is $0.07. From its monthly lows, the coin has risen 10.8%, but from its year-to-date highs, it has fallen 32%. The price of Shib is currently showing signs of sideways accumulation, which could indicate that a significant change is imminent. The highly anticipated launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain has recently dominated Shib headlines. For meme coin users, this is now among the most anticipated events of the year, because this has the potential to drive up the price of Shiba Inu coins. The new blockchain's creators are keeping everything under wraps so no one knows when the mainnet will go live. On March 11th, the network's public beta version went live, but because an existing blockchain is being used as a chain ID, the new meme coin blockchain's euphoria has taken a tumble. In the Discord, someone brought this up. If you look at the daily chart of SHIB prices, you can see that they have formed a lower low. According to the technical analysis community, this can be the beginning of a downward trend and an indication of weakness. Prices are also trading below their 200-day moving average and are consolidating below the Zilio 86 support. An Ethereum-based decentralized finance DeFi project called Koyo seeks to give users decentralized access to a range of financial services like lending, borrowing, and staking. The Koyo token is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. All of the platform's financial services can be accessed using this payment option. With only $8.4 million in market capitalization, the token ranks 3,180th on CoinMarketCap. However, about half of Shib's value has been destroyed in the past 2 weeks due to the project's burning of 4.631 billion Shiba Inu tokens, or around $50,000. The amount has caused others to question the veracity of the figures. The figures were recently confirmed by Shibarium, a specialized burn tracker for Shiba Inus. The burn portal was used to burn Shiba Inu tokens. How many burned SHIB tokens can be linked to the Koyo token address? That's evidence of burn tokens, so concludes today's activities. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.